How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to mark your level of support and resistance when you're trading in a consolidation zone. This is very simple and easier than you think. I'm going to show you guys how to calculate the ranges and know what to mark. So let's get right into it. So if you don't know what a level of support is, basically a level of support is when a bearish candle, the red means bearish and the green means bullish. So basically bearish is that the candle closed going down, and then bullish means the candle closed going up. So how does a level of support get created? Support means kind of basically a floor. So we can see that a support is when a bearish candle closes and next to it a bullish candle closes. So basically that creates a level of support. You can see here bearish candle closure and then bullish candle open, right? Basically right next to each other. So they kind of create a floor. So it's the same thing with buys. It's just the opposite. So now it's green and then red. So it's bullish candle closure and then a red candle closure, a bearish candle closure. So that's basically it's very simple support and resistance. So we can see here we have a level of support right there. And then we also have a level of support right here. So basically, if we're trading as soon as market open, this is how I would mark my stuff, right? So basically, I wouldn't make my level of support right here because there's no point. If I were to take a sell as soon as market open and a new candle open, let's say here, where's the brush? Can I draw here? I never make these type of videos, so I don't know how the drawing tool works here. I'm sure we can use this brush here. So let's say a new candle opens right here. This is the worst candle drawing I've ever done. And then, price starts breaking this floor. And if we take a sell here, it is too risky because what if it rejects right here? We only have clean range about for 40 pips. That's our trade's not going to be a 40 pip take profit. It's too risky. That's not what we target. So if price rejects and then goes back up, boom, we lose our trade here. So we can see that it's not worth it to take that trade. So now what we would do is we would wait for price to break this level of support right here, because then now we have clean range for literally a lot. Like, we have nothing on the left hand side here. We have clean range to make a new zone out here. So this trade would be perfect to take. Now the same thing with our level of resistance, our roof. Now what I would do, I would mark it right up here. So you can see that we also have a level of resistance right here and right here, but the ranges are too tight. It's too tight because if you take a buy right here, let's say we take a buy right here, let's make this smaller. Let's just make this 50 pips. If we make this buy right here, we have a chance that it can reject our line right here and then not keep going up. We can see that price rejected it once, 2, 3, 4 times. It's too risky. It's not worth taking it. We might as well wait and be patient. So now let's say that we wait for up here and then we take a buy right here on this line. We take a buy here and then our next level of resistance is only 3 pips away. We might as well just wait because we can get rejected like this wick did right here. We can see price went up to this level of resistance and it got rejected and then price reversed. So our best bet is waiting for price to be right here, which is this line right here, level resistance, and then we mark a long right here. Right here, I would definitely do a good 60 pips because look at all this clean range we have on the left hand side, and our next level of resistance, it's all the way up here. We have clean range for about 150 pips, which is absolutely amazing. Sorry about that, we're back. So basically what I was saying is that this right here is a perfect trade because we can see we have clean range in our next level, 150 pips. So now you guys might be wondering, Michael, what do you look for a clean level? So for a clean range and when to take a trade. So basically, let's clear all this right now. Let's say that I woke up to price being right here. Like I said, I'll mark my level of support down here and my level of resistance up here. Like I said, it's not worth marking it here or here because the ranges are too tight. So now what I look for when I use this to our next level, I look for at least 80 pips of clean range. That is it. If I'm going to take a 50 pip trade, I look clean range of 80 pips. Now, there's sometimes I take trades usually that are 100 pips, take profit, because that's when market is super volatile and, market's moving like crazy. So that's what I look for. So now if I'm taking a 100 pips trade, I'm looking for a literally clean range for about 100 to 20 pips or 150 pips, either between that range. That's if I'm taking a 100 pip trade. So right here, I can also take a 100 pip trade. It would be perfect as well. But ideally here, I'll do around like 60 pips. So basically, it just depends on the volume. But here it perfectly would be a nice 60 pip trade. As you can see, we have clean range all around here to reach our next level. So basically, it's just about marking your levels, making sure that the gaps are not too tight. You get what I'm saying? But it's basically very, very, very simple. But that's about all. You get what I'm saying? You mark, you wait for price to break out. You gotta wait at least for good candle closure. I'm gonna make another video on about candle closure because it's also very important in this strategy. So if you guys as well need help or have any suggestions, drop it down in the comment video. Remember, I make this video for you guys, so I need to know what you guys need to learn before I can make videos about it. So I'll be dropping more videos soon. Hope you guys enjoy this one. If you guys want to get in contact with me, trade with me, all my links are going to be below in the description down below. So just subscribe, comment, for we can get this video out to more people, because this is very helpful videos and it will help a lot of people. But that's basically all for it. I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a good one.